Hi friends, Marley here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will share with you the best way to protect your broccoli, cauliflower, lettuce, and other salad greens from cabbage worms. Look at this beautiful broccoli plant, guys. Beautiful leaves. And then here next to it, I have lettuce plants. Beautiful lettuce leaves. And then next we have kale. No damage on the kale. We've been eating from these plants in here and they are looking amazing. And the secret to protecting these plants from cabbage worms is an insect netting. Very simple. $10 for this 8x4 raised bed, and you can reuse it year after year. You do have to make sure that you secure the insect netting here. So what I did was I bought 4 hula hoops, and then I created 4 arches using the hula hoops, and that is a structure that I use for this insect netting, because you don't want your insect netting to be laying directly on top of the plants. So it has to be on a certain structure. You can use PVC pipes to create the arch, but the hula hoops are much cheaper. I got them from Dollar Tree and they're only $1.25 each, and they're actually good. You have to put something on the inside like a stick or a certain type of metal to hold on to the ends of the hula hoop. Let's go to this side of the raised bed. I'm gonna show you what's inside. Look, beautiful lettuce again. We have kale and then some more lettuce. Look at this amazing lettuce, guys. We even have strawberries here, and then more lettuce right here. Very beautiful. There are no damage from the cabbage worms. So if you are looking for a way to prevent cabbage worm damage on your brassicas or your salad greens, this is the way that I found to be the most effective. Let me show you my whole setup. So I have 4 arches on an 8x4 raised bed, and then I have clips on each corner to hold on to the insect netting and the hula hoop. And then on the sides, I added some pieces of wood to hold on to the sides of the insect netting. So because you don't want the butterflies or the moths or the other insects to be able to crawl underneath it, so it is a good idea to secure the sides as well. And also this keeps my insect netting in place and they are not blown away by the wind. I hope you learned something from this video. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I'm gonna see you in my next video.